what makes a smartphone? How can you take your smartphone experience from good to great? What possibilities can foldables unfold? With our latest update to One UI for the new Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3, what worked well now works even better. Thanks to new visual optimizations, you can enjoy intuitive layouts that fit the Z Fold 3's screen perfectly. Whether closed or open, One UI 3 brings you a consistent optimized experience across every screen and form factor. Galaxy Z Fold 3 with One UI delivers streamlined experiences for everyday use. Your messages and notifications stay organized, so you can easily find what you're looking for. And the all-new, ultra-responsive cover screen is easy to use, even with one hand. That's all thanks to its slimmer size. But what about when you want to go beyond the usual smartphone experience, so you can do and see even more? Just unfold for an immersive tablet-like experience you can't get on an ordinary smartphone. The Z Fold 3 lets you take photos like never before with all new capturing experiences. You can see a preview of your photos and videos along with the final shot, all at the same time. You can even share your photos instantly without entering the gallery. That's the difference between good and great. And you can enjoy even more options when you turn on new capabilities from Labs. Explore exciting new additions that make your foldable easier to use, like the taskbar. It lets you pin your favorite apps for quick access. And for apps that aren't yet optimized for the large screen, you'll be able to multitask and use flex mode just by adjusting their size and ratio. When it's time to work, use your Z Fold 3 just like a PC, with quick access to all the tools you need, including one you've been asking for. Z Fold 3 brings you the power of the first ever S Pen for a foldable phone. Express your creativity and share your ideas with S Pen integration in Microsoft Teams. You can write instead of type in your search bar, and even edit videos with the S Pen for pinpoint accuracy down to the last frame. We've integrated the S Pen with the Z Fold 3 to take your productivity and creativity to new heights. And our partnership with Microsoft increases continuity across Galaxy devices. You can start working on an idea on your phone, and with Microsoft OneDrive, finish it up on your Galaxy Book Pro 360 and share with other devices in seconds. You can make a fashion statement with the new Z Flip 3 to keep your style up to date, and match it with your Galaxy Watch so you always look stylish and coordinated. And thanks to the larger cover screen, you can do more without flipping it open. Instantly check text messages, use Samsung Pay, and control your music, all with a simple swipe. You can even take a quick selfie or video without unfolding. And when you flip it open, Flex Mode lets you use your phone at different angles, giving you incredible versatility with an enhanced user interface. Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 bring you different ways to capture amazing memories, like simply saying, cheese. And with your Galaxy Watch, you can control your phone wirelessly, so you can time the perfect shot. If you're upgrading to a foldable, Smart Switch makes it easy to keep the apps and memories you're used to. And now, that includes your messages. For the first time on any Android smartphone, you can securely transfer your WhatsApp experience, including your conversations and photos, from your old iPhone to your new Galaxy smartphone. We're so excited for this new update. It will improve your daily life and bring you more delightful experiences. Designed by you. This is One UI 3.